In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate cards or widgets on your ClickUp dashboard. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here quite a number of cards and I'd like to go ahead and duplicate some. For instance, I want to duplicate this. To duplicate it, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and hover over it and you'll see we have these three dots. If you go ahead and click on it, you can see we have an option to duplicate it. So if I click on duplicate, it will go ahead and add another widget just below the last widget or the last card. And here now you can resize it or you can even move it up or down. So if I want to move it between or just next to it here or down below here, it will be moved here. And you can see here the card has been moved or added. You can also go ahead and resize it by just hovering over it and it will be resized. So that's how you can duplicate cards on dashboard in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.